My hand's on fire.
You know, Bundy, first of all, I applaud your creative efforts. I really respect that. And second of all, I'm very disappointed that you didn't go with Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Okay, look, I'm also writing that one, but that one I have to pitch to Universal, all right? It has to be picture perfect.
And it also does require a star-studded cast.
It does. So I need to make a movie that's good before they'll give me the money to hire that cast.
Sure.
So
that's when we do the Pikachu movie, but with Danny DeVito as the only star. That's all we need is Danny DeVito for that.
There we go. That'll hopefully like the switch up. It's always a drag when you put a bunch of flammable shit next to fireworks and nothing happens.
That's something.
There we go. There we go. Alright, cool.
All right,
Yeah.
Nice.
Because the idea for this movie started when
Yeah,
I was
John,
like,
you should take one of the trees or some shit and put it on top of this wicker basket, because the wicker basket's gonna burn up a lot.
So you take one of these whole trees.
I mean, I didn't say that. Yes, I did. But,
You did say tree.
no, that will be excessive, but we should take some shit and put it on top of the basket. Because we're gonna take advantage of the... This is a bad idea. Why did I say that?
This is an excellent idea.
Huh? This is awesome. One of them also doesn't have needles on it. Oh well, I'm just gonna let you do what you do, John. You're looking at me like, in the name of God, what am I doing? Oh my God.
move back over. There you go. It's fine.
Guys, this is a bad idea.
It was a horrible idea.
I mean, yeah, you got some low-hanging trees here.
Yeah.
Throw a
That
rock
just
at
went
it.
through.
So maybe...
Cover your beard.
Cover your beard.
Cover your beard.
Huh. Well... The good news is